Alright, so I heard you guys want to learn when. Alright, so I heard you guys want to learn about those null transition movement thingies on like my recent edit. So I'll teach you how to do it. Yeah, I got you. Don't worry about it. Here, so get your clips ready. There's no music because like I'm too lazy to put it on. This is an example. So imagine there's beats on these points. You know, let me just add one more here. Wait. Boom. So these are your markers, right? You already textured it on beat, you know. Boom. Okay, so that's the base right now. So what we're gonna do here, so it's gonna be like this. It's gonna zoom into the dog on this beat, go back to her face, and slide transition to this one. All right, get your clips ready, put Twitch on them, get on the markers, and let's do this. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do, recompose. Okay, let it pre-render. Alright, when it's done pre-rendering, you add 2 nulls or 1. It depends how much you need, really. It doesn't matter. I'll just put 2 just in case I don't have to add another one. Before you work on it, make sure you connect it with this little swiggly line thingy. Put it 1 here, and then the next one goes to here. And if you add another one, do the same thing. You add this one here. You connect this one to the new one. So now you have this. First thing you want to do, make it fit to the comp. Do that. That's good. It's okay if it looks bad, you know, quality. You can just put on full and it looks normal. There you go, looks better already. But I had it on 3rd because my PC. So here, let's start. This is our base. We want it to go to the dog on this point. So we're gonna need scale and position. Okay, people might be saying, "Oh, that's not how you do it." Blah blah blah. Well, I don't care. This is how I do it. Okay. Actually, tell me how you do it. Actually, I want to learn. I want to know a better way. Okay. So we set 2 keyframes for position and scale at the start of the beat, and at the end, we're just gonna play around with it. All right, that's how you do it. We're gonna play around with it. You know, put the dog in frame. You know, like that. There you go. And then when I do like this graph, you know, apply it, or let me show you. Just add an out graph, basically. There you go. That's what it should look like. See how okay, I think it's a little too much on. It's going down a little bit too much, so let's put it up a bit. Like maybe like that, and then always redo the graphs when you move something. There you go, that's better. So now on this beat, we want it to go to the girl. How are you gonna do that? Easy, just move it around, man. Do this. 1, 2, boom. Let's center her a bit. There you go. And I know the quality's bad. Just don't worry about it, man. Let's see it. So it goes 1, 2, 3, boom. See? I mean, that's not bad. I'll make sure you turn on your motion blur. That's yeah. So it goes 1, 2. See? That's not that hard. So now you want to do a panning transition or like a slide, but we can't do it here because we already used position. We don't want to overlap. Well, psych, you thought, because boom, watch this. We have another null. We can just do it on top, man. That's why you use nulls, man. That's why you use nulls. So put that here, put this here. Make it a normal position transition. Just this. Make sure it doesn't. That's good enough. There you go. Do that. Drag that to the final frame. Boom. You add your in graph. Now show it like this. It's not that okay. Not that hard. Okay, let's do the next one. We just make another null. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. To make a null, it's just go to layer, new, null object. Control Alt Shift Y. That's what I do. That's why it just pops up. Yeah. Control Shift Alt Y. Boom. See? But we're not gonna need another one. We're only gonna need one right here, because you know it's just continuing the transition. Easy. Yeah. Here. Boom. Bang. Downbeat? No, it's not. Ah, shit, dog. Wait, let me just fix this real quick. Yeah, there you go. That's better. Alright. So first thing we're gonna do, turn on the motion tile. So, gotta add another. Okay, there you go. So, oh wait, I forgot. Connect it first with a squiggly line. Boom. Now we can work on it. So on the whole, you know, the main layer, you're gonna zoom it in to fit the screen like so. Now you do the position on this one because we went the other way, which this way. Now we just do this outgraph, have motion blur. Now let's try it. Let's see. It's not that, it's easy. Okay, I think we need a little bit more movement. Let's add motion tile. Motion tile of this, okay. And then let's the width that we need, right? So do that much. You don't want to put like a lot. So now we can move the position more. See, now it's like that. People aren't really gonna see the motion tile. It's gonna be too fast. So let's see it. See, it's not that hard. We can even do a little something here. Okay, let's add the thing here. Let's add another camera motion thingy movement. So 1, 2, 3, boom, and let's zoom it in their face now. You know. So what we're gonna do here, you don't need to make a new one because we're not really gonna overlap. We just make a scale like keyframe here. Press U to open up all the keyframes. Now we go to the final frame because not final. Go one frame back to see what it looks like. Just zoom it in a little, move it down a bit or up. I mean, like that. Do a little bit more. It's a little pixelated, but that's fine. That's fine. We fix that later on. Okay, we do that. Oh shit, my bad. Do this out transition or out curve. So now it looks like this. It's not that bad. Okay, there's something bad about it. I don't know what it is. Wait. Is that good? Wait, I think I know what's wrong. I think I know what's wrong. There you go, I fixed it. I lied, I didn't fix it. Yeah, you have to play around a lot with the graphs, you know, yeah. It looks like it's doing something weird here. It shows the motion, like black thing. You just gotta fix the motion tile like this. I lied, you can't do that. Oh shit, fuck that. Alright. You just zoom it in a little bit more, I guess. That works, you know. Just, can you see itself? Nah, they can't. You know what? We can hide that. We're gonna do the border. Already made a tutorial, but I'll show you how to do it too. Control Y, add a new thing here. Now open up your grid, control and quotation thingy. There you go. Hold this round rectangle tool. Pick a grid, harder grid here. Go to the opposite side. I stopped at this side here. Wait. Boom. Inverted. Press that. Control. Turn off the grid. There you go. Just do that. And boom. See, it's not that hard, bro. I think we zoomed in a little bit too much. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Zoom it out a bit. No, I'm saying just that. Zoom it out a little bit more. Bring it up. There you go. Easy. So here, that's just what. This is what it should look like. All right, was not playing. Oh my god. See? Not that hard. It's just nulls. I don't even know what to call this. I'll just call it null movement. There you go. Null transition movement thingy. But yeah, you did good. Good job. Good job, kid. I'll see you in the next video, bro. Alright, see ya.